Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best blender for kitchen is Ninja Mega Kitchen System. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System provides professional performance and power in XL 72 ounces, which pitcher is ideal for crushing ice into snow to make large batches of margaritas and resort-style frozen drinks. Pulverize fruits and vegetables into personalized, nutritious smoothies, then twist on a lid and enjoy on the go. 8-cup food processor bowl with 2 dedicated blades provides even chopping for food prep and can make 2 pounds of dough in 30 seconds. Crush ice for frozen drinks or blend fruits and veggies to create healthy smoothies. Evenly mix ingredients to make pizza or cookie doughs. Evenly mix ingredients to make pizza or cookie doughs. 1500-watt base with 4 dedicated blending speeds puts the power and control in your hands. Number 2 in our side is Ninja BL 660 Professional Countertop Blender. The Ninja Professional Blender in Nutri Ninja Cups is a professional, high-powered kitchen tool with 1100 watts of power. The Ninja Professional Blender in Nutri Ninja Cups is a professional, high-powered kitchen tool with 1100 watts of power. Professional, high-powered kitchen tool with 1100-watt motor to make it easy to crush ice and pulverize tough ingredients. 6-blade assembly allows you to turn ice to snow in seconds. A powerful motor combined with the Pro Extractor Blades assembly breaks down whole fruits and veggies for refreshing, full-bodied nutrient juices. Blend your favorite frozen fruits directly into the cup, then simply twist on a lid to enjoy delicious smoothies on the go. With your Ninja Professional Blender, you can make all your favorite drinks, dips, and dressings. Third in our Best Blender for Kitchen list is Ninja BL 610 Professional Countertop Blender. The Ninja Professional Blender 1000 features a sleek design and outstanding performance with 1000 watts of professional power. Ninja Total Crushing Blades gives you perfect ice crushing, blending, pureeing, and controlled processing. 1000 watts of professional power can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. The 72 ounces professional blender pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. 64 ounces. Max liquid capacity. Total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits and vegetables in seconds. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious resort-style frozen drinks. The included recipe guide provides drink and dish making inspiration. Let's watch more. Our fourth pick is Hamilton Beach 58148A Blender. With 12 different functions, you can create classic smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes with the touch of a button. With only 5 simple buttons, the control panel is clear and easy to use. Unique, no-mess pouring spout makes for a clean and easy pour, great for soups or slushy drinks. Patented wave action system continuously pulls mixture down into the blades for consistently smooth results. Ice Saber blades provide supreme ice crushing power. This blender feels very high quality for the price, especially the glass pitcher. 700-watt power blender continuously pulls mixture down into the blades for consistently smooth results. Multi-function blender with only 5 simple buttons on the easy-to-read control panel. Power blender creates smoothies, icy drinks, shakes, and more. Multi-function blender with only 5 simple buttons on the easy-to-read control panel. Power blender creates smoothies, icy drinks, shakes, and more. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Oster blender with glass jar. This Oster Pro 1200 Blender Plus Smoothie Cup has a powerful motor that consistently crushes ice, pulverizes greens, and turns frozen fruit into sorbet. 7 speeds including 3 smart settings eliminate guesswork and offer one-touch controls for salsas, shakes, and smoothies. And the dual-direction blade ups blending power and speed. The 6-cup Boroclass glass jar is durable and dishwasher safe. Blend in the included 24 ounces smoothie cup, then take it with you to work, on your walk, and more. Includes pre-programmed settings for smoothies, salsas, and milkshakes, and 7 speeds from pulse to puree. Smart settings are conveniently programmed to blend the perfect smoothies, salsas and milkshakes in just one touch so you never have to guess how long or what speed to blend your ingredients. The wide base allows foods to flow freely down to the blade, and dual direction technology spins the Crush Pro 6 blade in forward and reverse motion, optimizing the blade's power to blend all types of foods.